everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the best home improvement tips and tricks. Today, we're zooming in on a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of bathroom design, selecting the perfect waterproof blinds for your shower window. We'll explore 7 fantastic options, from roller blinds to Venetian blinds, ensuring your privacy and style aren't compromised by water and humidity. Let's get started. Understanding the need for waterproof blinds. Before we jump into our list, let's discuss why waterproof blinds are essential for any bathroom, especially near a shower window. The right blinds protect your privacy, prevent water damage, resist mold and mildew, and are easy to clean, making them perfect for the humid bathroom environment. 1. Roller blinds. Our first contender is the ever-versatile roller blinds. Ideal for minimalistic or modern bathrooms, these blinds are easy to operate and can be made from waterproof materials, ensuring they stay clean and functional even in the wettest conditions. 2. Faux wood blinds. Next up, faux wood blinds. These are your go-to if you love the warm, natural look of wood without the hassle of warping or rotting. Faux wood is highly resistant to moisture and steam, making it a fantastic choice for any bathroom. 3. Rigid vertical washroom blinds. Waterproof vertical blinds are also useful for hanging before your shower window. These are very soft blinds that give complete cover to your bathroom. However, if you long for the best waterproof blinds in PVC, select the rigid vertical bathroom blinds. 4. Vinyl blinds. These are known as the best choice for shower windows because of their ability to resist moisture. Like the other above-described washroom blinds, these can also provide you with the facilities of light control and privacy while taking a bath. Plus, they're incredibly durable and budget-friendly. 5. PVC blinds. PVC blinds are another excellent option for those seeking durability and ease of maintenance. These blinds won't absorb moisture, making them perfect for use in a bathroom environment where humidity is always a factor. 6. Timber blinds. Timber blinds also have positive feedback on their installation at your shower window. There are multiple types of timber blinds hanging in front of the windows in bathrooms. 2 of these are famous, are bamboo and louver blinds. The distinctive feature of timber blinds is that you can easily manage the sunlight and privacy needs by yourself. 7. Venetian blinds. When the privacy matter in the washroom is discussed, Venetian blinds excel in this matter. Like the other top-notch washroom blinds, Venetian blinds can be managed automatically. The cords of these blinds are made up of stainless steel material, which is beneficial in operating the slats. And there you have it, 7 waterproof blinds that will elevate the look of your shower window while providing the functionality you need in a bathroom setting. Remember, the key to choosing the right blinds is balancing aesthetics, privacy, and moisture resistance. These reliable blinds can be summarized as timber blinds, Venetian blinds, PVC blinds, vertical blinds, faux wood blinds, and roller blinds. So, install these blinds to get the best outcome.